In this video, I will show you how you can deploy your Lovable project on Vercel. So it's really easy to do it. You just need to open your project in Lovable. So I have this simple calculator, for example. Then you want to click on this GitHub icon in top right corner. So you need to sync your Lovable project to GitHub. And then once you have this, you will need to go to Vercel and you need to add new project. Then choose project. And from here, you need to make sure you have a GitHub account connected so you can import your project from GitHub repository. So this is my simple math buddy. So this is the calculator. You want to click on import. Then you want to keep this default and then just click on deploy. And you just need to wait a couple of seconds for deployment right now. And as you can see, congratulations, you just deployed your new project to this. So you just need to click on continue to dashboard. And from here, you can see your project details. So you can click on this picture and this will open your project in new window. And it's using the default Vercel domain. So this is the Vercel domain. Now let's say you want to add custom domains. So you need to click on this plus button next to domains. And from here, you want to click on add domain. And then you need to paste your domain. So let's say I have Hostinger domain, so I'm going to open Hostinger and I'm going to copy my domain, paste it here. Then you just want to click on save. And after you added your domain, you should see those two invalid configurations. So you need to configure DNS records in your Hostinger. So click on learn more next to this and also here. And you need to add this A record and this CNAME record to your Hostinger. So open Hostinger. Then in your domain, choose DNS name servers. And from here, scroll to manage DNS records. And you need to add those two records here. So first one was A record. This is name and this is the value. So copy the value. Choose type A. This is the name. This is the value. Then add record. So first record is added. Now the second one is CNAME. Name is www and this is the value. So make sure to copy the value. Type choose CNAME, name was www, and this is the value, then add record. And once you do this, you can go back to Vercel and you should see it's going to refresh maybe automatically, or you just need to click on the refresh button. Valid configuration, so this means it's successfully connected. We just need to wait maybe a little bit longer for the second one. And after a couple of minutes, you should see valid configuration on both domains. So this is your primary domain and this is the just redirect domain. And now if you open overview of your project, you should see your custom domain connected. As you can see, it's here. So if I open it, you should see your custom domain and now it's successfully deployed on Vercel and you also added your custom domain. So if you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials.